Hello, quick review on the new 3/8 Flexi lock-in ratchet from the Napa group. This is model number R38LF120 for any of you who wish to purchase it afterwards. This is not a paid promotion, I've actually bought this with my own money. It's the comfort grip version, really nice comfort on it. This is the 120 teeth ratchet. I reviewed one of the it was 62 or 72 ones the other week, and I compared that against the Snap-on. It was very good value, but it did stack up nowhere near like a Snap-on tool would. This one, first of all, I'd say the grip's really nice. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy. It doesn't feel too top heavy, which some of these flexi ratchets sometimes do. It's got really nice action on the ratcheting, and a little tiny bit of flex there once it's locked. Definitely more than you'd get on a Snap-on, but a lot better than some of the others I've tried before. The adjustment, that is silky smooth. That is really, really good. And the ratcheting mechanism is really fine, very nice, very little back play, very little back play. It's a really nice ratchet. I think these retail for around about £20–25. It's really nice chrome work, nicely finished, slightly a bit thick on this part up here, so it might be a little bit restrictive in some work areas. Definitely thicker than the Snap-on one I've got, but again, for a spare or someone starting out, I think this is probably the best tool I've tried from this Napa range so far. Definitely the best ratcheting mechanism I've tried out of this group. For those, I've seen some other people on videos online of these, and they say they're made in America. It's not. This one's actually made in Taiwan. Very good for the value. Sad to say, it's still not a Snap-on tool, but then it's not Snap-on money. But definitely the best tool I've tried from this group. And definitely a good tool for your home mechanic, someone starting out maybe, or just for a spare in the toolbox, or for somebody who just does a little bit of work around the house, or just a little toolkit you put in the car. But definitely give this a try out. This is definitely a star buy.